Now, students, I wanted to do a finishing kind of round off for this. I've made some more changes, or just really more tidying up than anything else. So if you can see here now, so I've tidied up that section there, okay? And I'm going to show you the different wall types that I have. And as I said, that's just it's a window, single plane 2.1 by 2.6. And I have slotted that in there. I want to bring you around the back here because I want to show you that I've tidied up all of that. So now that looks like it's continuous pour the whole way up. And on the inside here as well, I had to tidy it up there. That's all tidied up, worked out quite well. That's all tidied up there. I've got the kicker in where is required on the floors, okay? And I want to show you how I did that. So if I go into level 5, select this and edit the boundary, you can see that the main floor, see it here coming this way, okay? So I've come out, I've taken that bit out, I put this piece in because this is our landing area here. Now there's a little gap there, and I could probably solve that by splitting these two and joining up those two. I'll just show you how to do that actually. So I'll split and I'll split there. And then all I have to do is draw a line across from here to here and here to here. And then I'll get out my fillet tool. And now that should work. Bring it out here. Yeah, so don't attach. Now, so I've got a clear walkway through here onto the landing for the stairs. And the advantage of taking out the floor that was in around the corner here is that now I can stop the slab edge kicker at the start and the finish of the core area here. So I went around and did that for each of the cores there. Now I want to show you what I did down here. Okay, this is now external. So if you remember, this is the poured wall that I'm bringing all the way up. Okay, and what I've done with it, because when it comes out of the ground, it needs some insulation. So I've put in some external insulation, and I've just finished it with a render here. Now we might decide to put in cladding there, might not. I think personally, I prefer to concentrate on the cladding on these elevations rather than this one here. I think it looks fine. Okay, see those little timber things, I want to get rid of those. So I'm going into edit type and I'll just turn off the cavity closers like so. And they should all disappear. Now, and then over here, what I've got is, because this is the cast wall that is coming up from the bottom all the way up, but it's not happening here. And if I go down to the ground level, I'll show you why. Because we got that kind of corridor there. Okay, we got that corridor there. If I go up to level 1, you can see that it closes in. So what I've done, and you can see level 1 is inside, so I don't need insulation. Level 2 is also inside, so I don't need insulation. Level 3 is now outside. Okay, so I put in a 215 wall with an external insulation around as far as here to join in with the cast wall that's coming up the whole way through. Now that has an insulation on it. And I've also obviously beefed up that wall there to 215 with external insulation on it. Now, so that goes the whole way up, if you like, and that's how it is looking there now, like that. Now, I'm much happier with that now. I think I'm in a position now to tackle the roof and those core and the plant rooms and things like that to see what's going on there. But as far as I'm concerned now, I've got my basement all the way up to level 5 and 6 more or less sorted out. And that is a good place to kind of put a full stop under that part of the building construction. Okay.